Oh, I think this would work good as a high idle stick. Alright, idea.
So, high idle, 2005, B-Dub Mark IV, TDI. The cheap way. Oh. Do. Okay. So I think this will be. Oh, I gotta lower it. Okay, spin that in. Okay, let's adjust this a bit. Okay. Get yourself a little curtain rod, dealio, and this thing adjusts up and down. And then we're gonna do that. And then, okay, where are we revving it? A little more. So then we're gonna spin this. I'm gonna do this one-handed. Oh, hang on. We'll get this exactly. Okay, where are we at? Perfect. This. Oh, that might be too high. Yeah, that's too high. Bring her back. Not in the ketchup. Probably want like 12, 1300. Oh yeah, okay, that's almost perfect. Mint. Oh, she went down a bit. So you guys kind of play with it a bit. And then when you're done, put it right there. Sweet. Thanks for watching my shady videos.